Welcome, my dear children. My name is Jyoti Kokate and today we will be studying subject English from standard 3rd. Topic for the day is Baby's Dress poem. The name of the poet is W.B. Rance. Children, William Brighty Rance was a British writer and one of the major authors of nursery rhymes of the Victorian era. Children, now I am going to read the poem. You have to pay attention. Baby's dress. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall mummy dress her? The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. The blue bell is a true bell and will find the blue to dress her. The cherry tree is a merry tree and will find the pink to dress her. The lily bright will find the white, the beautiful white to dress her. The leaves in the wood are sweet and good and will find the green to dress her. The honeysuckle with buds for a buckle will make a girdle to dress her. The heavens hold both silver and gold in the stars and they will dress her. W.B. Rance means William Brighty Rance. Children, now let's see the meaning of the poem. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall mummy dress her? Children, what do you see in the picture? Yes, you can see a mother and a small baby in this picture. So, the poet says that a mother blesses her baby and wonders that how she will dress her baby with the beautiful dresses. Now let's see. Children, look at the first picture. You can see clouds in the sky and see the picture of wool. Can you tell me, children, who gives us wool? Yes, the sheep gives us wool. Yes, and wool is very soft and fluffy. Yes, when do we wear woolen clothes, children? Yes, we wear woolen clothes in winter season because woolen clothes keep our body warm. So, mummy says that the summer cloud will not be too proud and then she will find the soft wool to dress her little baby. The blue bell is a true bell and will find the blue to dress her. Children, the blue bell is a flower which is rich in pollen and nectar, and also it looks like a tiny bell. So, mummy will find the blue dress for her little baby. The cherry tree is a merry tree and will find the pink to dress her. Children, this is a picture of a cherry tree which is very beautiful. Let me tell you, children, there are some kinds of cherry tree do not bear fruit, but people like these trees for the beautiful pink and white flowers. So here the cherry tree which is a happy tree. So mummy will find the pink color, beautiful color to dress her small baby. The lily bright will find the beautiful white to dress her. Children, you can see the picture of lily flower in this slide. The lily is a beautiful flower ranked as the fourth most popular flower across the globe. Lilies come in a variety of different shapes, sizes and colors. So children, the mother further says that the bright lily will find the beautiful white to dress her little baby. The leaves in the wood are sweet and good and will find the green to dress her. Children, here the wood means a small forest. You know that there are many green and fresh trees are seen in the forest. So, mummy will find the green color which is sweet and good to dress her baby. The honeysuckle with birds for a buckle will make a girdle to dress her. Children, honeysuckle is a plant. The flower, seed and leaves are used for medicine. What is the meaning of girdle? Girdle means a belt or cord worn round the waist. So children, the honeysuckle which has birds like a buckle, and mummy will find the soft belt for the baby's waist. The heavens hold both silver and gold in the stars and they will dress her. Children, we see stars, moon, sun in the sky. So, heavens that hold silver and gold in their stars will also find the dress to her little baby. So, in this way, the poet compares the baby's dress which mummy will find to dress her little one with the flowers, summer clouds, forest and heavens. I hope children, you all have understood the poem. Let's see the meanings. Wood. Wood means a small forest. Girdle means a belt or cord worn round the waist. Children, now it's a exercise time. Question 1. Find 6 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer: cloud, proud; bright, white; wood, good; cherry, merry; honeysuckle, buckle; hold, gold. Question 2. Which flowers are mentioned in the poem? Describe each flower in one line. Answer: the flowers mentioned in the poem are the bluebell, lily and honeysuckle. Number 1. The bluebell is blue in color and shaped like a true bell. Number 2. The lily is white in color. It is bright and beautiful. Number 3. The honeysuckle has birds like a buckle. Children, now it's a homework time. Question 1. Choose the words from the puzzle that describe a baby's dress well. And the words are beautiful, bright, colorful, warm, pretty, tiny, soft light. Now question 2. Where do we see the following colors in nature? White, blue, golden, silver, pink. And the answer, number 1, white. We see white snow, flowers and birds. Number 2, blue. We see blue sky, flowers, sea, rivers, lakes. Number 3, golden. We see evening sky in golden color and sun also in golden color. Number 4, silver. We see silver sky, moon and stars. Number 5, pink. We see pink flowers. Thank you children for watching this video.